Hey beauties, so today I'm sharing beauty products that I've been loving lately. Skincare has always been such a personal journey for me, from breakouts to dryness. I've really tried it all. That is why I love exploring K-beauty through YesStyle since they carry such a wide variety. Today, I'll be sharing my honest experience with few products I've been testing, the ones that surprised me and the ones I think might not be for everyone. So yeah, let's dive in. First up is the Torriden Dive-In Serum. I kept seeing this serum everywhere, and since the Torriden Secret Toner pads worked so well for me, I thought this was worth a try. It's a lightweight, hydrating serum with low molecular hyaluronic acid that sinks deep into the skin for long-lasting moisture. It also has panthenol and allantoin for soothing. This is perfect for dry, dehydrated, and sensitive skin, but also lightweight enough for oily or combo skin. I love how it layers well with other products and it doesn't peel. It only gives you that plump, bouncy skin feel. But if you want something more targeted for acne scars or pigmentation, this may feel too basic. It's more about hydration than treatment. Next up, this is the Torriden Diving Cleansing Foam. And because my skin was so dry this summer, I decided to try the cleansing foam from the same line. It's a gentle, low pH cleanser with hyaluronic acid to cleanse without stripping moisture. This is best for dry to combo skin, especially if your barrier feels tight after washing. Honestly, it's soft and cushiony, and I don't get that squeaky dry feeling after rinsing. The only downside of it is if you're very oily or acne prone, this might feel too gentle, like it's not giving you a deep clean. Following is the Renlab 1025 Ducto Cleanser, and this is actually my second bottle. You can see in the video that my first tube is completely empty. This claims to be formulated with deep sea water and minerals to gently cleanse while keeping your skin balanced. This is amazing for sensitive and combination skin. What I love about this cleanser is that it foams just enough, cleanses without irritation, and keeps my skin calm. It's honestly become a staple in my routine. The only downside of it is that if you're wearing heavy makeup, this alone isn't enough. You'll need a cleansing oil or balm to pair with it. Another one from Round Lab is the Round Lab 1025 Duck Cleansing Oil, and I decided to pair it with a cleanser. My Sunburn Editor cleansing oil is about to run out, and that one has served me well because it didn't break me out, unlike the Skin 104 cleansing oil. This claims to melt makeup, sunscreen, and impurities without clogging pores. It also has the deep sea water and gentle emollients, and this is great for sensitive and acne-prone skin, especially if other cleansing oils usually break you out. My thoughts about this? It feels silky, rinses off clean, and doesn't leave residue. You can probably tell by now that I've been obsessed with Round Love products because they rarely disappoint me. This one is the Round Love Birch Juice Moisturizing Sun Cushion. I already had the sunscreen tube, but when I saw the sun cushion, it's impossible not to grab it. This claims to have a broad spectrum of SPF with birch sap for hydration, all in a convenient cushion format for touch-ups. This is great for normal, dry, or combo skin. It's easy to reapply SPF on the go, and it gives a nice dewy finish. I'm actually new to this product. This is the Arbutin 5.0 Whitening Cream. This one is for brightening since Arbutin is known for reducing dark spots and uneven skin tone. The benefits of this is that it fades hyperpigmentation, even skin tone, and gives a glow. My 2 cents about this is it does help brighten my post-acne marks over time. The only downside is that it's not very moisturizing, and if you have a very sensitive skin, it could sting a little. This is said to be best for normal to oily skin, not the most hydrating for dry skin. Now, also the MVP of this haul is the Genabelle PDRN Enriched Recovery Balm. This balm is quite special. This contains PDRN, which is a salmon DNA extract to promote healing, strengthen the skin barrier, and boost elasticity. This is ideal for damaged, dry, and mature skin. The formulator behind Genabelle is a well-respected dermatologist in Korea, and people rave about this because it helps with recovery and anti-aging. Honestly, the effect is chef's kiss. My skin looks calm, bouncy, and nourished. The only downside is that it comes in a metal tube, which isn't my favorite packaging. It can crinkle and leak if not careful, but formula-wise, so good. COSRX is another brand that's always been good to me, especially the salicylic acid foam cleanser. So this one, I had to try it. This promises hydration from aloe, sun protection, and a natural tone effect that brightens the skin. This works well for oily, combo, and dull skin. It's not heavy at all, so it won't clog pores. It's lightweight, blends nicely, and gives a subtle brightening effect without a harsh white cast. But if you're very dry, you might need to layer moisturizer underneath since it's more aquagel in nature. Next one is the Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Aqua Fresh Rice plus B5. This sunscreen has been super popular and I can see why. It's SPF plus with broad spectrum protection, but what makes it stand out is the texture. It feels like a moisturizer, not a sunscreen. It has rice extract and panthenol, that's B5, which helps soothe and hydrate, so it's perfect for sensitive or dry skin types. No white cast, no greasy feeling, just natural hydrated finish. Definitely a daily essential for me. Now for base makeup. This is the Clio Kill Cover Mesh Glow Essential Cushion, and this cushion is giving skin but better vibes. It has that mesh system so you don't pick up too much product, and it blends out beautifully. The coverage is medium but buildable, and it leaves such a healthy glow. I'd recommend it for normal to dry skin because of the luminous finish. If you're oily, you might need a little powder on top, but personally, I love how fresh and radiant it looks. And my favorite gem? This is the Clio Essential Lip Cheek Tap in Apple Green. The shade Apple Green is such a pretty fresh color, which is perfect for every day. What I love most is that it's moisturizing. Some lip products can be drying, but this one feels hydrating even without lip balm underneath. It gives a soft, natural look, but you can also build it up for more intensity. So there you go. Those are my current K-beauty products, and if you're into K-beauty, YesStyle is such a treasure chest because they carry such a wide range of brands, from classics like Lab and COSRX to hidden gems like Genabelle and Torriden. If any of these products caught your eye, I'll leave the direct links down below so you can check them out. And of course, you can use the code for a discount on your order. I've been shopping on YesStyle for a while now, and what I love is that it's basically a one-stop shop from skincare, makeup, and lifestyle items. So if you've been curious about these products, YesStyle makes it super easy to grab them all in one go. See you in the next one.